What's up, y'all? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm just trying to do a quick test for this FPV Egg 200 GT from LDARC. I think I got everything set up correctly, tested it in beta flight, make sure I had all the modes and everything. I set everything up. I put a DSM-X receiver on here, and I just got them up top here, held by the zip ties that they supplied. And so we're going to test it out. I only have a 650 milliamp hour battery at the present, so don't expect a long flight or anything. It's just a test. And usually I don't fly craft this large out here anymore, so I'm just going to fly it over this construction yard right here. It seems to be pretty clear. Nobody really over here, no cars or anything. Everything seems to be working fine. Let's look at a quick punch out with this thing. Wow. Pretty windy out here. The sun is starting to go down. So I guess we're testing this 650 milliamp hour 4S GnB battery as well from Crazepony-Power. The 200 GT came from Banggood because they had the best price. Let me see how the FPV feed looks. Flickering a little. Yeah, the FPV feed isn't all that great. Then again, my patch antennas look like they're sideways. I didn't really intend on doing some FPV flying with it. I just was coming out here to make sure the thing works. Fly a little line of sight with it. Kind of hard to tell orientation with these props like this. Have a look at a punch out right here with this 650 milliamp hour battery. Man, this battery is pretty good for 650 milliamp hour on a 5-incher, and it's got some punch. And I don't hear any buzzer at all. Beeper's not going off or anything. Okay, so that's enough. I just wanted to test this thing. Oh, let's go into angle mode and see if we got any drift. Nope. No drift at all. Okay, so the motors are a little warm. Not too bad though. So they seem to be doing pretty well with these 5-inch props here. I'm not sure if it'll be able to handle like some gem fans, some high pitch props or anything. I think the pitch on these props are 48. Yes, these are 50-48s it looks like. Can't really tell. Might be 50-43s. But pretty decent prop though here from King Kong. I don't know how efficient it is, but it actually works well with this setup here. 1806 motors from, well, they're branded LDARC, but they're made by Sunny Sky. So seems like a pretty awesome quad. Really feeling it, really liking the way it flies and everything. And this battery seems to be pretty nice too. This is only a 650 milliamp hour battery. Let me unplug it. Show you guys the battery. This is a 650 milliamp hour GnB battery, 4S, from Crazepony-Power, and it's pretty awesome.